What's going on YouTube? My name is Dennis Anthony, and today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing sales funnels. Okay, so I've actually drawn up a little bit of a little tree here, a little outline, and I'm going to explain to you guys why you're not making affiliate sales. Okay, so here's the rule number one. Whatever product it is that you're promoting, you are taking your audience, right? You're taking your traffic, and what you're doing is you're sending them over to your sales page directly, okay? So here's what you're doing. You are marketing whatever it is, however it is that you're marketing, whether that means you are doing advertisements on Facebook or Google, or you're using YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, whatever it is that you're doing, you are taking those people and then you're sending them directly to the sales page, okay? That's wrong, okay? That's an old way of doing marketing. It doesn't work. It's called direct linking, and it does not work, okay? Here is the second way that a lot of you guys are doing it. You guys are taking your audience, your traffic, and you're sending them over to a landing page, which is good, where you're collecting their email. However, there's nothing on the back end. You're collecting their email, and then the first email that they're getting from you is, hey, go buy this product. Again, that is wrong. You are not going to get anybody to buy from you like that. Here is the proper way to set up an affiliate marketing sales funnel. Okay, so what you want to do is take your audience, whoever it is that you are targeting, that you are marketing to. As soon as you get them over to your lead magnet page, you're going to want to give them something for free. Whether that be an ebook, a video series, a webinar, you're going to want to give them something for free. After you give them something for free, you're going to send them 4 emails. 4 emails. In those emails, you're going to give them another piece of information or something else for free. So think of it like this. Instead of just sending them an initial email and wanting them to go over to your affiliate offer, you're going to send them 4 emails where you're going to give them something for free. Show your face. If you don't want to show your face, use your voice. If you don't want to use your voice, take a picture of yourself, write a blog post, write an article, take that, screen capture that, include that into your email. Start building the connection with those people that have taken their time out of their day to opt into your email list, okay? So at the end of those 4 emails, at the very bottom, you're gonna want to, hey, if you would like more information, check out this product that has really helped me, or see what I'm using, and link to your affiliate offer or product or whatever it is that you're selling. I guarantee you that your conversions will go up. I guarantee you that you will start making sales within 30 days. That is going to be the fastest way to start making money with affiliate marketing and actually start getting your commission checks rolling in, okay? So do that. Send your audience, send your traffic, send them to your lead magnet page, send them to your sales funnel. After you're done with that, you're going to want to send them 4 emails where you're going to keep on continuing to educate them and giving them more information for free. At the end of that email series, then you're going to start asking for the sale, okay? If they don't start making sales after that, you're going to want to put them into another segregated list where you're not going to promote that same offer. Maybe it was a bad offer for that particular audience. Try another offer for that audience, and you're going to do the same process over again, okay? If you guys do not have a sales funnel set up, I'm going to give you guys 14 days free with ClickFunnels. You can set up as many landing pages as you want, as many sales funnels as you want. That link is going to be in the description. Also, if you're looking for more information on internet marketing and how to make profits, that link is in the description.